It's the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for Thursday, the 29th of November. I'm Michael Groff. It was a chilly day yesterday, but we'll start a warming trend today, which will continue into the weekend and early next week. The moisture comes in as well. Will we see any rain for the weekend? Let's get into it. First, yesterday, there's that cool day. 57 degrees for the high, 42 the morning low. And if you're heading out right now, might still need that light jacket. 46 degrees at Tampa International at 7:25 a.m. Dew points at 32, humidity 57%. The winds are light. The barometer is falling. Around the area, the coldest spot I could find this morning, 33 over at Dundee. It's 41 at Valrico, 41 Vandenberg. Mid-40s for much of Metro Tampa. 54, the warm spot at St. Petersburg. Around the nation, it's still pretty cold across parts of the southeast, although temperatures are starting to moderate. Still near freezing across much of North Florida, and further to the north, it is still quite chilly over the northern plains and the Great Lakes, as is typical for this time of year. Taking a peek at the upper look this morning, the trough that brought down all the cold air over the last couple of days, it is now well out of here. We're left under a zonal flow, so temperatures will begin to warm up. And the watch warning map, most of the action is out across the western states, where we have winter storm watches extending into parts of the high plains and winter weather advisories through the interior west, parts of Arizona, wind advisories as well. Flash flood watches in parts of California where they desperately need the rain, and they're going to be getting it, quite a bit of it, in fact, over the next several days. Convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather across the contiguous United States. But let me show you this. This is the day 3 outlook. This covers 7 a.m. Saturday through 7 a.m. Sunday, and a slight risk of severe storms for parts of the Panhandle, with a marginal risk just east of that. Right now, Tampa Bay not in any sort of severe weather risk, and I don't think we're going to be in one. But we'll show you the models here momentarily. Here's the rainfall valid through next Thursday morning coming from the WPC. 3 to 4 inches for the Panhandle, hardly anything for South Florida, and here in Tampa Bay and across Central Florida, amounts between about 1/2 and 3/4 of an inch. And we'll get into the details of that and everything else with our weather as we explore the models now. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. This is the upper look at about 18,000 feet. Zonal flow here. So down at the surface, there goes our surface high, moving off to the east. So winds aloft will begin to veer around to the east and southeast later today. As a result, more clouds will come in. Temperatures begin to moderate. We'll have highs this afternoon in the mid-60s with partly sunny skies. Tonight, call it partly cloudy with lows mainly in the low 50s. And then tomorrow, kind of a mostly cloudy day with more of a southerly to southeasterly surface flow. High temperatures back into the low and middle 70s. Now, as we get to Saturday, here comes that vigorous low-pressure system across the plain states, a deep surface low over northern Missouri, the southeast U.S. in the warm sector, so a chance of some strong and severe storms getting about as close as the Florida Panhandle. But right now, it looks like the main dynamics are going to stay north of central Florida, including Tampa Bay. So it'll be a mostly cloudy day, and a chance of showers and isolated thunderstorms comes in here midday to afternoon hours on Saturday. High temperatures are going to be mild, though, upper 70s to near 80. On Sunday, that system, an associated front, I won't call it a cold front, just a front moves on through. And so still some lingering showers around, but it's not going to rain all weekend, and certainly it isn't going to rain all day on Sunday. High temperatures still upper 70s, maybe even low 80s. Partly sunny, low 80s on Monday, an isolated morning shower possible, but we'll keep the chance of rain pretty minimal at this point. Here's Tuesday, and our next weather system approaches. This one doesn't have a lot of dynamics this far south either. Maybe a chance of some showers comes in. An isolated thunderstorm is possible too. High temperatures still in the mid to upper 70s. But then after that front moves on through, another blast of cool, refreshing air. Highs on Wednesday in the low 60s with a good north breeze. Here's a week from today. This is Thursday, the 6th of December, and a zonal flow here. Still looks kind of cool and dry. High temperatures low to mid 60s. Friday, December the 7th. We're still looking pretty nice. A warming trend will take place, though, of course. It's Florida. Cold weather doesn't stick around very long. High temperatures upper 60s. And then here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. The best day on the calendar, Saturday, December the 8th. Got another wave over Texas. Rain coming in from the west. The heaviest rain will stay further away for now, but still could see some isolated showers coming in here at this point. Let's take a look at the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble, getting back into the low 80s by the end of the weekend and early next week, only to have high temperatures really dip down following that next frontal passage as our yo-yo of temperatures continues here to close out November and into the first week of December. And that's going to do it for the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Plus, your comments, questions, suggestions, all of your feedback, always encouraged. Be safe out there. Have yourselves a fantastic Thursday. And here is your forecast.